To get started, visit the fine-tuning dashboard, click Create, and select GPT-4o 2024-0806 and the base model dropdown. Vision fine-tuning capabilities are available today for all developers on paid usage tiers. These capabilities are supported on the latest GPT-4o model snapshot, GPT-4o 2024-0806. Developers can extend existing fine-tuning training data for images using the same exact format as our chat. October 31st, 2024. GPT-4o fine-tuning training will cost $25 per 1 million tokens, and inference will cost $3.75 per 1 million input tokens and $15 per 1 million output tokens. Image inputs are first tokenized based on image size and then priced at the same per token rate as text inputs. More details will be found on the API pricing page. So that's how they're going to get in our wallets. To learn how to fine-tune 4o with images, as we go ahead and continue diving deeper into fine-tuning with images. To fine-tune models based on images is extremely huge. The number of use cases are endless. This is the leading food delivery and ride share company. Turn street level imagery collected from their drivers into mapping data using the power of Grab Maps, a mapping service enabling all of their Southeast Asia operations. Using vision fine-tuning with only 100 examples, Grab taught GPT-4o to correctly localize traffic signs and count lane dividers to refine their mapping data. As a result, Grab was able to improve lane count accuracy by 20% and speed limit sign localization by 13% over a base GPT-4o model, enabling them to better automate their mapping operations from a previously manual process. 20 miles per hour. AutoMap improves success rate of desktop bots, automating business processes. An enterprise automation company builds desktop and web agents that process documents and take UI-based actions to automate business processes with vision fine-tuning and a data set of screenshots. Automate trained GPT-4o to locate UI elements on a screen given a natural language description, proving the success rate of their CoFrame is building an AI growth engineering assistant that helps businesses continually create and test variations of their website and UIs to optimize business metrics. A key part of this task is autonomously generating new branded sections of a website based on the rest of the website. CoFrame tasks GPT-4o with generating code for the next section of a website based on images and existing code. By fine-tuning GPT-4o with images and code, they improve the model's ability to generate websites and consistent visual style and correct layout by 26% compared to the base GPT-4o model. It immediately generates the next section. It's beautiful. It's really cool. Okay, so this was with ChatGPT 4o, the base model, and this was utilizing fine-tuning.